The NB Network with Dee Sparta.
Hi everybody, it's me Dee. Welcome to the NB Network. I've tried to record videos for this channel and had just weird problems happening, and it's like, when I finally got my voice, it's still not fully here. I can tell it's still hard to project and get stuff out, and so I'm trying. I'm feeling better. I actually was sleeping pretty well last night until I was awoken, which sucked. But still, I did a BoxyCharm video. I've done it twice, and I'm just like, I can't get it done right. So we're just gonna move on out, and we're gonna go and do, guess what? One of my favorites, Tribe. The Tribe Beauty Box. Well, it's a bag, but I really like this company, and BoxyCharm let me down. Customer service is great to replace products that was broken, but still, the products that I did get were just, I feel like I'm getting a lot of the same things, and there was one product in there that just tasted so gross and smelled so gross, and I was really disappointed in, so, yeah. But October's is 2020. This box from Tribe Beauty is Dusk to Dawn. Dusk to Dawn. You ever seen some of those movies? I love this. Selma Hayek is a vampire. Oh, she was hot. Sexy. Sorry. Getting a little distracted here, aren't I? Okay, I'm trying to open this. This is like, they really packaged this stuff securely. And I can't find my scissors right now. So, okay. I think I got it. It smells good in here. Huh, interesting. Oh, by the way, today I am wearing the brand new from Gerard Cosmetics Star Powder. I'm wearing Grace highlighter. I'm really liking it. I'm wearing Lavender Boutique's Jenny Lashes with their brand new Cloud Magic Liner, which is also an adhesive to stick the lashes on. And I think it's beautiful. I'm liking it. Like, I have arthritis and I'm blind, so putting little detailed things on it can be a little troublesome. This went on easily. So I was happy. And I didn't have to worry about getting tons of glue all over the place. And, So that's just, I really like those two companies. Jen of Gerard Cosmetics and Marley of Lavender Boutique. Those women they're beautiful. And always been real supportive of me. So I'm going to be, so I want to always be supportive of them when I can. All right, so the first thing we have is Earth Harbored Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Embule Red Algae and Plant Stem Cells. It's a serum. I have a collection of these. I really do, of different serums. And some, I've been using them and I'm getting through, but I don't need, you guys, it takes a while to get through these. But this serum, let's see here if I can find out how much this costs. This is, oh, here it is, $48. Well, it's not in the $16, $80 or $100 range, so I guess that's a little better than some serums. Let me smell it. I'm a glutton for punishment here. I actually kind of like the smell. It's just very herby and gardeny, and I'm like shocked. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. I have Luminous LA Splash Cosmetics. This is the Luminous Liquid Metals Duo Combo Felt Tip Liner and Cut Crease Definer. And this is $18. I never tried this before. This is really interesting to me. Oh, how cute. I love the packaging. That is just adorbs. Potion. Okay, screws on and off. Here's the... Oh, it's a real soft... Yeah, there, I could get it. Got it for you guys. That's the one side. And then the other is a felt tip liner. Nice line. I will say that. This is nice. Huh. Pretty cool there. So, and that was only $18. Yeah, that's pretty good. What have I got here? I got from Glossy Lamination Liquid Lipstick. It's Suva Beauty. And the color is Illusionist. If it's anything like what I'm seeing on this packaging, that would be gorgeous. Kind of like those colors. I can't tell. I don't know if you can tell. This is $18 also. Open. Oh, that just brought a memory. Okay, it's kind of got some of that. It's not the same color. But yeah. This one's more pink. Oh, it's supposed to smell like peppermint. That's it. It took a moment. Let's see here. And nice color. All right, so that's kind of interesting. I would expect more peppermint scented things, like, you know, in what I was gonna say, Christmas. No, this is Halloween, but you know, I would have liked like a black lipstick or something darker because of Halloween. This is October, you know. I'm just saying. Now this is, I've been looking forward to. This is from Jen Gerard, the clean canvas eye base. I did choose Fair. I have been wanting to try this. Everyone keeps praising and talking about how great this eye base is. And I'm like, well, I love her lipsticks. I'm enjoying her highlighters. Like her glosses. And I can't open this for the life of me. Alrighty. And it's really cute. Oh, get it upside down. There is the G and the C. See the color. Whoa! This is creamy. Oh. Can't smell anything. Oh, that is so cool. And I put some on it. You can tell it just like blends into my skin, which is nice. I like that. And you can buy that for $22. That's pretty nice. Okay, so there's one more thing in here. The Anti-Pollution Eyeshadow Palette from Pure Defense. Now, I have not had very much luck with Pure eyeshadow palettes. Showcase your inner artist with Defense, a highly pigmented smoky palette featuring 12 bold shades that instantly bring attention to any makeup look. Now, what I really wanted to, this is worth $34. The one I wanted was only $27, and it was the LA Splash Classic Horror Eyeshadow Palette. And it's inspired by the Golden Age of Horror, and I wanted that one so badly, but I didn't get it. And so I'm going to, I might have to look that up, and I think I'll buy it on my own because I love horror movies. I've been watching, this morning I watched a horror movie. I'm just kind of like, what? It was on Hulu. Bad Hair. It was, good premise. Yes. And I think, oh, wow. I'm sorry. I just got distracted by, this is not what I expected from Pure. Color-wise, this is like, you can make looks all from here. There's mattes and shimmers, and there's a black. Swatching does not always mean something's really good, but when it comes to eye makeup, because you really have to see how it works on your eyes, but I will do some swatches. These shimmers do feel creamy. Ooh, yeah. I got a mess on my hand from all the other makeup, so we'll just move on, okay? I will do this. I am shocked. Oops. You can see, there's my wall. You could kind of see what's going on. I hate all this reflective stuff because you don't need to see everything else going on, do you? No, but it is pretty. It is so pretty. Okay, so I'm sorry for dissing you guys so much. I can't wait to try this palette now. I want to see how it's going to work. So that is cool. I'll probably use my new Jar Cosmetics Clean Canvas prime for your it's eye concealer and base. I can't wait to try it. So I got, $34, $22, $48, 18. That's all pretty good. I did not get rejuvenating eye patches. I don't know, maybe I was supposed, oh, no, that was a variant. So no, you either get that or the LA Splash. And you know what? I love eye gel patches, but I have a bunch. I also have a lot of aligners too, but I'm glad I got this one instead. I wish I'd gotten the other eyeshadow palette, but that's okay, Try Beauty Box. I think it's a good deal. It's every 2 months. It's only bi-monthly. The next one's not going to be until December. I do look forward to getting the December one also. Yeah, this was worth my money. This gave me some great makeup products. It's still, oh well, it did smell good. So I'll try it. Maybe I'll try it out tonight. I don't really know. But if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe to this channel. I do have my other channel, The Mindful Oracle, and I do review other boxings and do tarot readings and meditations to help you. And so there's that. And I'm going to be doing the Tamed Wild box over there. And I'll see you there. Bye.